Not so long ago, about this many people used mobile internet to search for businesses. Now it's this many and rising, which makes your presence on White Pages more valuable than ever. Because in addition to finding your business here, and via directory assistance, your customers can now find you here, and on any other web-enabled mobile. When they do, they can contact you easily. Get directions to your front door, save your details to use again in the future, or share them with friends and family. To help generate even more sales, you can enhance your business listing in any number of ways. From adding links to social media and e-commerce sites, to providing content that showcases your products and services, price promotions and special offers, news and other information relevant to your customers. Whichever way you look at it, if you want your business to be within easy reach of your customers, no matter where they are, White Pages is the perfect solution, now and in the future. Because wherever technology takes the internet, White Pages will be there, and so will your business.